everyone. Thanks for jumping on with us real quick here. This is Tyler the Tech Guy in his beautiful suite here at the Cosmopolitan, where Terry and I are staying on the lower budget side. Tyler is, big dollar tech guy.
It was a comp offer. Let's be clear here.
So today, Tyler is going to talk you through how to be notified every time we go live on Wednesday and Thursday.
Yep. So this will make sure that when we're live for selling, that you're not missing any sales. You're not going to miss anything. That way, you get a notification every time that you're going to be live the next couple days.
Because we don't really have a schedule.
Correct.
Because there's 10 stores involved, and
yep.
So we'll see. So Tyler, walk us through how do we do it.
So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Adrian's Boutique Facebook store. I'm actually going to step around so I can hold the camera in front of this camera, and hopefully
okay.
that will make more sense.
Okay, got it. Hey, Cheryl, and Donna, and Diana, and Marlene. Okay, so we're going to show you.
So here we are at Adrian's Boutique. You'll see one of the first options down. There's these three little dots on this button. And let's see. There should be one, and I don't see it on here for some reason. Oh, that's because I didn't click in. There we go. So now we're on. It's even hard for me sometimes. So now we're on the three dots. So now you will see following, update your recommendation, suggest edits, check-in, and find support, all this good jazz. So you're going to click on following, and then it's going to bring up all these options for you. And you're going to see one for live videos right here, and it should be set to highlights. What you're going to want to do is change it from highlights to all notifications. And that's going to make sure that whenever Vicky's live, you're going to see that live video. So once it's set to all, you will get to see and you'll be notified of every live video that Vicky does over the next couple days. So again, that's just go to Adrian's Boutique, and then you'll see the three little dots for the options. And again, you just click following here, and then make sure that live videos is selected to all instead of highlights.
And then, ladies, I would just remind you, for Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to come have you join us many times throughout the day. You can also watch it on replays, but we'd love for you to be with us live as much as possible. So after that, you can change it back if you want to, but for these 2 days, we would love to have you on our live notifications. And I think, Tyler, thanks for walking us through that.
No problem.
And ladies, you can go back and watch this, take your phone, and just go through the quick steps, and I think you'll get it. So thank you for all of you that jumped on here with us. We'll be back to you again later today at some point, but thanks for the tech advice. So Tyler, the tech guy, we're so glad he's along because you all know me. That's all I'm going to say.
That's all I got.
That's it. Thank you.